guys, welcome back to another video of mine. My name is Sandy Golis, and in this topic, I will be talking about describe and compare advantages or disadvantages. The following AI platform technologies are Gemini or Google AI platform, cloud-based platform with TensorFlow integration and various pre-built AI services. Next is the Copilot or Microsoft Azure machine learning, cloud-based platform offering ease of use and integration with other Microsoft services. Next is the ChatGPT or OpenAI Genie, open source toolkit specifically designed for reinforcement learning research. Next is proceed with Gemini or Google AI platform. So, Google AI platform, part of Google Cloud, is a comprehensive cloud-based solution for developing, deploying, and managing machine learning models that integrates tightly with TensorFlow and offers various pre-built AI services such as Vision AI, Natural Language AI, and AutoML, facilitating a wide range of AI and machine learning applications. So, the advantages: first, Tensor integration. Seamless integration with TensorFlow, a leading open source machine learning framework, allows for powerful and flexible model building. Next is the pre-built services. A variety of pre-built AI services like Vision AI and Natural Language AI provide ready-to-use solutions for common tasks. Next is the scalability. Leverages Google Cloud infrastructures, offering robust scalability and performance for large-scale AI workloads. Next is comprehensive tools. Includes tools for the entire ML lifecycle from data preparation to model training and deployment. Next is the disadvantages. First, complexity can be complex to set up and use, especially for beginners. Cost, high computational resources and cloud services can become expensive. Next is the steep learning curve. It requires a good understanding of both cloud services and machine learning concepts. Next is the Copilot or Microsoft Azure machine learning. Microsoft Azure machine learning is a cloud-based platform designed to simplify the process of building, training, and deploying machine learning models. It offers a user-friendly integration with other Microsoft services and various tools to enhance productivity and collaboration. Next is the advantages. First, ease of use. User-friendly interface and automated ML features make it accessible to users with varying level of expertise. Next is the integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Seamless integration with other Microsoft services such as Azure, Power BI, and Office 365 enhances productivity and collaboration. Next is the productivity tools. First, features like drag and drop model building, automated ML, and robust version and control streamline the development process. Next is the enterprise ready. Strong support for enterprise use cases including security, compliance, and scalability. Next is the disadvantages. Cost. Similar to the other cloud-based platform, cost can add up, particularly with extensive use for computational resources. Next, limited customization. While ease of use is a strength, it may come at the cost of flexibility and customization for advanced users. Last, dependency on Microsoft ecosystem. Heavy reliance on Microsoft services can be a drawback for users preferring other ecosystem or open source solutions. Next is the ChatGPT or OpenAI Genie. OpenAI Genie is an open source toolkit designed specifically for reinforcement learning research. It provides a diverse set of environments for testing and developing RL or research reinforcement learning algorithms, fostering experimentation and innovation in the field. So first we will talk about the advantages. Advantages: open source, free and open source, encouraging wide accessibility and community collaboration. Next is the specialized for RL, tailored for reinforcement learning research, offering a variety of environments and benchmarks. Next, flexibility, high flexible and customizable, allowing researchers to experiment with different algorithms and approaches. Next is the community support. Strong community support and a wealth of shared resources and examples. Next is the disadvantages. Nicely primarily focus on reinforcement learning, making it less suitable for other types of machine learning tasks. Next is the steeper learning curve, require a good understanding of reinforcement learning concept, which can be somewhat challenging for beginners. Next is the limited integration, lacks direct integration with cloud services, which can complicate scaling and deployment compared to cloud-based platform. And comparison of advantages and disadvantages. First, we have the first column, which is contained of features, platform. Next is the, as you can see, primary use case, ease of use, integration, customization or flexibility, free-will, AI services, scalability, cost, community, and support. Learning curve, enterprise readiness. So first we will start about the primary use. So we will check about the Google platform or Google AI platform or the Gemini. So sa primary use case, this is general AI ML, same as Azure Machine Learning Copilot. It is general AI ML also, and the OpenAI Gym or ChatGPT when it is reinforcement learning. So we will continue about ease of use, moderate, Azure Machine Learning Copilot, high, OpenAI Gym, moderate, integration, Google AI platform or Gemini, strong with TensorFlow, strong with Microsoft services, and the OpenAI Gym or ChatGPT is moderate. So next is the customization or flexibility. First, we will start about Gemini high, Copilot moderate, and ChatGPT high. Variable AI services. First is the Gemini extensive, Copilot is moderate, and ChatGPT is none. Scalability, Gemini high, Copilot is high also. ChatGPT limited without cloud. Next is cost, Gemini high, second or Copilot is high, and the ChatGPT is no open source. Next is community and support. Gemini strong, Copilot strong, ChatGPT strong, community driven. Learning curve, Gemini step, Copilot gentle, ChatGPT step. Enterprise readiness, Gemini is high, Copilot is high, ChatGPT is low. So next we will continue in the conclusion. So the conclusion, Google AI platforms or Gemini is ideal for user needing robust scalable AI solution with extensive pre-built service and deep TensorFlow integration with. However, it comes with complexity and cost consideration. Next, Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Copilot is suitable for enterprises and user seeking ease of use integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. It offers strong productivity tools but may lack flexibility for advanced users. Next is the OpenAI Gym or ChatGPT excels in reinforcement learning research, providing flexibility and rich set of environments, but it is niche focused and may not meet the needs of users seeking a broader AI or ML platform. Choosing the right platform depends on specific requirements, including the type of AI work, level of expertise, and integration needs. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching the video.